Hi, my name is Gary, and I started coming to the Med Gym in 2019 after receiving physical therapy for an ankle injury. I met with David, and he developed a program that would focus on 3 areas that I was interested in: gaining more strength, additional flexibility, and balance because of the ankle injury. I recently had a full knee replacement. I was back in the gym in 3 weeks, and I completed an 8-week physical therapy program through its entirety. The therapist was very impressed with how much I was able to accomplish in such a short period of time, and I owe it all to the Med Gym. Had I not been here for those 6 years, I could have never recovered as quickly. It made all the difference in the world. The other thing I love about the Med Gym is it's not your typical gym. There's a lot of camaraderie among the members. We support one another, we hold each other accountable, and it's just a great environment. I would highly recommend the Med Gym to anybody who's thinking of improving their overall health.